So in this question, we have a skier. Why is there a box around the set? Anyways, we have a skier that it has a mass of 59 kilograms, and basically the distance that the skier is sort of traveling is 1.3 kilometers, which could be written as 1,300 meters. And we also have the angle, which is 14 degrees. So if we were to draw a diagram, actually there is a diagram included, but this is sort of how it looks like. And so over here, this side is basically skier is trying to go down this sort of ramp over here. This side is 1.3 kilometers. And so, which means that this would be the height that the person is standing. And obviously we have the angle, which is 14 degrees. And this side over here, I guess we can just name it A because it is adjacent to the angle. We'll just name it A. And so before we do anything, it's important that we find the height. And so that could be done by simply doing trigonometry. And so if you guys remember, sine angle is equal to opposite over adjacent. Sorry, opposite over hypotenuse. And a good way to remember that is remember it's so, and there's ka, and then there's toa, like that. And what we're going to do is that we have the opposite side, which in this case is the height. So I'll actually write that over here. And we also have the hypotenuse, which is 1,300. And we even have the angle, which is 14. So just doing a little bit of rearranging. And then if you plug this into your calculator, the height is 314.498. Now that we know that, we could find the gravitational potential energy. So remember, gravitational potential energy is the mass into the gravity into the height. And so the mass is 59, the gravity, which is 9.8, into the height, which is 314.498. And again, if you punch this into your calculator, you should get a number that looks a little something like that. There's a bunch of decimals, but they don't really matter because we only have to write two significant digits. So I'll just write e.g. the gravitational potential energy is 1.8 times 10 to the power 5 joules.